Hey, what is up, everyone? This is Tyson, and today I am incredibly excited to announce the release of version 1 of Jounce Art. With Jounce Art, you're going to be able to create images and illustrations for your email content, your advertising, your social media, your ebook covers, and basically any other type of marketing content that you are creating on a daily basis. And without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. You'll be able to find the Art tool up here at the top of your screen in the navigation menu. And over here on the left is your input where you're going to be able to describe what image you're trying to create. Now, one thing that I want to mention is the more specific and descriptive you are, the better results you're going to get. You can put up to 400 words in this description box. Now, that might be a little bit more than necessary, but one of the things that you want to think about is putting commas in between all of your different prompts. So let's go ahead and test something out here. This one doesn't particularly have any commas in it, so let's see what happens. Based on the description, this is still a pretty good result, but let's see what happens when we add commas and we try a different prompt. In this prompt, you'll notice that I break things down into little chunks of information and I separate with a comma. So the first thing that I'm asking for is a portrait of a young woman. And then I go to describe the specific features that I want to see. And I even specify the lens that I want to consider the photo taken in. This is a very important point. You can describe the style or the quality. You can describe the artist that you like, and you can really get creative with how you describe different qualities and aspects of your prompt. Now, let's go ahead and see what happens with this one. So you can see the difference for yourself. This image here has a woman with all the features that we described, and it has sunshine in her face. Now, if I don't like an output that I get, you can, of course, just hit generate again, and every time the AI system will generate a new perspective on this particular prompt. I think both of these results are pretty good. Let's go ahead and try something a little bit different now. For this one, I'm going to create a little bit more of an artistic take. My prompt is a digital illustration of a purely mechanical television in 4K, in detail, and fantasy vivid colors. And just like that, in a few minutes, I've created multiple different illustrations of this TV and chosen one that I like here to use in an upcoming blog post. So the last thing that I'll mention is if you find an image that you like, you can, of course, copy that image, save it to your desktop, or you can even add it to a document. Now, we're looking forward to seeing what you create in this very first version of Jounce Art. And there's a lot more to come. We already have a version 2 interface that's going to blow your mind and an entire upgrade of the quality of art that we're going to be able to produce over time. We hope you enjoy, and we're looking forward to seeing what you create.